Ako ang taong walang hilig sa doktor. Pero yung aking husband, dahil sa hindi ako makarinig, dinala ako sa hearing aid doctor. At nung dinala ako, chinek ang right ears and left ears. Ang sabi sa akin, left ears 89% I cannot hear and the right ears is 100% I cannot hear. And ang sabi ng doktor, nakita niya na meron daw akong sign na brain tumor. Lahat daw ng sign na nakita niya sa akin, kailangan ko raw magpa-general check-up at CT scan dahil may sign daw ako na may brain tumor. And I said, wow! I said to the doctor, so that's why I don't want to go into the doctor because they will tell you many names. Now is brain tumor. And you know what? If you heard something no good to the doctor, if they said that to you, it's bothered me at the time. But thanks God because I have Jesus and I hold Isaiah 53 verse 5. Thanks God, and I said to the doctor, hindi ako pupuntan magpapa-general check-up. Kung pagbibilhan mo ako ng hearing aid, I will buy here. But if not, bibili ako sa television. So,